Is your HP Smart Tank printer not connecting to Wi-Fi? Has your Wi-Fi password changed? Or are you setting up your printer for the first time? In this video, I'll show you how to reconnect your HP Smart Tank printer to Wi-Fi using the HP app. This guide works with HP Smart Tank 670, 720, 750, 6000, 7000, 7300 series printers and many other HP Smart Tank models. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Step 1. Check the Wi-Fi status. First, make sure your printer is powered on. Now look at the Wi-Fi light on the printer. If the blue Wi-Fi light is solid, your printer is already connected to a wireless network. If the blue light is blinking or the wireless light is off, the printer needs to be connected again. Also, make sure your phone, tablet or computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want your printer to use. Step 2. Put the printer into Wi-Fi setup mode. Now we'll place the printer into Wi-Fi setup mode. Press and hold the Information I button for about 5 seconds until all the control panel buttons light up. Next, press and hold the Wireless button and the Cancel button together for 5 seconds. Release both buttons when the blue Wi-Fi light starts blinking. Your printer is now in Wi-Fi setup mode. The printer will stay in this mode for up to 2 hours, giving you enough time to complete the wireless setup. Important! Don't press the wireless button again while the light is blinking, or the printer may exit setup mode. Step 3. Connect with the HP app. Now open the HP app on your Android phone, iPhone, Windows PC or Mac. If you don't have it installed, download it from your device's App Store or HP's website. Inside the HP app, tap Add Printer. The app will automatically search for nearby HP printers. Select your HP Smart Tank printer from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Wait while the app sends the wireless settings to the printer. The setup usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Step 4. Confirm the connection. When the setup is complete, check the wireless light again. If the blue Wi-Fi light stays solid, your printer has successfully connected to your wireless network. And that's it! Your HP Smart Tank printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network and ready to print wirelessly. Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.